Okay, I got it recording.
Definitely has Jon Snow.
See, it's a little heart, stomach, little lungs moving up and down, rib cage. You can see the shadowing from the ribs there.
It's been very active lately too.
Yep, that's good. Little mouth, trying to get that hand. You can see him sucking there.
Just turned up
Yeah, there's his face.
his mouth.
He's looking for the hand, I think. You see him turn back. Try to get it. Very nice profile. Nope, now he's holding his toes.
He loves his toes.
So these are fingers, toes, foot. So he's hanging onto his toes.
She says that
I
all
feel
the
like
time.
he grabs his feet and he's like trying to suck on them.
They do. Believe me.
A lot of the time when I have my hand on her belly, I can feel his knees like moving up.
Yep. Well, I got a good boot from that foot, as I was explaining to you that that was the foot. Little thigh bone there. Spine. Arm and a hand. Yeah, he's holding onto that foot there. He's not letting go. All right, Ryan. See you next time.